take it slow.
Oh, fuck it. Trainers. That's it. That's what happened to me yesterday. So new leafies going in. That's going to get us out to Chilli Beach, Annie Creek, weather permitting. So Luke and I got a nice trip down the east coast planned. We're getting out of Weipa. PDR's been smashed by rain the last couple of days, so we'll let that dry out. Go Chilli, have a bit of a fish there. Cans, let the hair down, onto Airlie. Let the hair down whatever we got left after cans. And fingers crossed it's the last mechanics we've got to do.
That's it, eh?
So what are we doing here, Luke?
Mate, KBL repairs are right.
KBL repairs. So how many brakes are you running once you rip this one off? One brake.
Half one, maybe.
So from Weipa to Harvey Bay on the one brake. Should be right. You're the lead car anyway, so
yeah, that's right.
You won't have to brake too hard.
Good.
So what are you doing here, Luke? What's your plans?
Just cleaning up the brake lines, mate. You know?
So the caliper was locking up, was it?
Yeah. It's just a season up.
So you've taken the lines off that. We're going to clamp the brake lines. Get her running free again.
I already cleaned up the back ones. We're good.
So the back brakes are clamped already. Well, that's half your work done.
Yeah, it's right. It's legal, mate, right? It's legal.
Yeah. She's not stopped.
No.
She's not stopped. Fully sick custom mods. Fuck yeah.
Look at that, she's calm.
It's nice and shiny.
Yeah. She's fucked. Running this cat.
We fucking did it, boys.
Cape York work.
New leafy's gone in. New bearings, fucking purring. I'll put the fucking finishing touches on. Still filming? Yeah, mate. You boys filming? She's gonna go off a bit. Fuck yeah. Oh, fucking spill it everywhere, what I just. Get him. Shotgun it.
My man.
They need a chaser.
It was that hard you had to tip the rest over your head.
Done. Got the fire going. Boat's back on. She's solid. Got the crew. Yoo-hoo! Yeah.
Hey.
Going away, bruv.
Yeah,
Yoo-hoo!
Yeah, boy.
You.
That's me.
L dog. Down low. Slap it, tap it. You. Going away. Let's go. We got the beads. Fuck yeah, so we're all set. Going away tonight. Got the crew around for a bit of a fucking go away party. Woo. Everything's ready. Beer I'm cracking on Weipa. Cheers to the sunset. Lukey, what do you reckon, mate?
I love it, man.
So we're getting out of town. Last sunset we get to enjoy over the ship loader there. In front of the sign here. Welcome to Weipa. Well, what a year that's been. Come up here. Spent my last paycheck getting through the Mickey's door. I basically ate fish. I caught queen fish and cooked it for dinner for the first week I was here because I had no fucking money. 2 jobs by the time I've been up here. A lot of life lessons and experiences learnt. And some fucking awesome memories, that's for sure. Good mates, Luke.
Bloody heck, man.
Fucking oath. And this trip's only going to get better. So from here we're going to Wenlock Falls. Suss out a couple of little water holes. There's definitely still crocs in there, so we've got to keep an eye out. With this little bit of rain though, they should be flowing, which should be nice. And then speaking of rain, hopefully we don't get too much and we can make it down to Chilli Beach. Spend a couple nights there, take the boat out, hopefully get a nice feed of fish, maybe go for a little swim depending upon the conditions. And from there, Cairns, let the hair down early, and then we're going to hammer it home. What do you say, Luke? Let's go, eh? Woohoo! Cheers, brother. Yeah. Let's do it. You're over it. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Following this little truck here. We're going to turn off Wenlock Falls. We got petrol just as they shut, 6 o'clock. The time now is...
Had to be close to 1.
20 past 1, hang on. 10 past 1 in the morning. We've been driving for 7 hours. Fucking sunk a cart in between us. Yes. But we fucking made it!
Fires with Roy J.
So this is what we came for. Wenlock Falls.
Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you?
We're back on the track on our way to Chilli Beach. So we've had a little bit of rain just today, but that's not going to stop us. Hoping the weather comes good in the next couple of days. These winds should be going westerly, so Chilli Beach should be nice, clean. We're going to try and buzz out to the reef if we get the chance. So yeah, now on our way to Chilli. The track in last night. We've only done 180 k's from Weipa and it took 7 hours to get to Wenlock Falls. Pretty much first and second gear low range the whole way. Pulling trees over, had to get the chainsaw out a couple of times to clear the track. But this is life in the Cape and this is sick. So making our way out now. Shouldn't take too long hopefully. But yeah, the adventure continues. Let's see if Luke can do it. Not getting up that. Let the pressure down a bit, see how we go. I reckon this one's gonna have to be it, but fuck, it's even slipperier. Oh, this is the hard part, I reckon. Fuck me, that's slippery. Once you get here, we should be all, yeah. So this line here, right wheel on that and keep it up that way and up, because your left wheel's hitting this top here and then your right's going in that hole, so follow that up. That's it. Close. That's it. That's it. And now left hand down, aim that way. And then it should pop out. There we go.
Oh yeah. Come on, Roger. So go right hand down. Too easy, mate.
Find a path.
Now the hard part. You good? Oh man. Oh, hold up. Hold up. You're good. Yeah, Roger.
Jay. A little bit of fucking ingenuity. Case ingenuity. That's it. Fuck, we did it.
Yes, I did.